there, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'm going to focus on some of IKEA's new products, sharing plenty of storage ideas and great deals. There are some new products that I've been dying to get my hands on, and I finally got to see them in person, so I can't wait to share them with you all. Recently, IKEA has had significant price reductions, including in May, especially on popular items, so I've purchased a few to introduce to you. If you're planning a trip to IKEA soon, you'll know what's worth buying right now, so please watch till the end. A really beautiful dining chair has been released. I'm heading straight towards it. Yes, here is the dining chair. It seems the color variations differ by country. The design is absolutely beautiful. It has a modern design, but the seat is made of paper cord, which adds a warm feel to it. The seating comfort was excellent. The backrest is broad and curved, which was very nice. This chair needs assembly, but the screws are completely hidden, which is quite beautiful. The legs taper slightly at the ends, giving it a light and elegant appearance. The backrest has a veneer finish, adding a nice texture. And believe it or not, you can get this delivered with small item delivery. How amazing is that? I really want it. The seat is very sturdy. With IKEA furniture, seat height can sometimes be a concern, but I didn't find it problematic. I have the Nilsov chair next to it, and when I add a cushion to the Nilsov, it's about the same height as this new chair. The new chair is comfortable even without a cushion, so I think it's fine as it is. And remember, IKEA offers a buyback service, so trading up is always an option. Just look at the curve of this backrest. On IKEA UK's website, they also have dining tables from the same series. In a previous video, I introduced this personal chair, which turned out to be a bit larger than I expected, but it was still very elegant with its modern rattan design. It's truly a stunning piece. Next, we have a new version of the Kallax. Kallax is known for its versatile inserts. This new type allows you to use insert boxes on the lower shelf while keeping the upper shelf open, combining the best of Kallax and other open shelving units. It works perfectly as a TV stand. This is a newly decorated room set with green accents that make the decoration incredibly charming. Beyond the decoration, I absolutely love the furniture arrangement and choices in this room set. It's so adorable, don't you think? But the genius touch is this panel here. Believe it or not, they've draped a throw blanket over a frame. Isn't that super stylish? Art can get old quickly, so this is a great idea. The BRÖGGAN series is very cute. But be careful with the cutting board and bowl, as they are surprisingly large. Can you see the size in this context? Recently, IKEA has been reducing prices on many popular items, including this open shelf. It's a very popular product, and I've heard many people debating whether to buy it. Many already own it. So I finally decided to get one myself. Interestingly, it's available in countries like Japan, Korea, Singapore, and France, but strangely, it's not sold in many other countries. Affordable shelves can often be tricky to assemble, but this one was easy. As an open shelf, I initially thought it might be more for display than storage, but the lower shelf is quite deep, making it useful for storage. That was an unexpected plus. I bought these boxes to match the shelf. These are the classic TJENA paper boxes from IKEA, available in various sizes. I bought 2 medium-sized ones. I use them to store my manga collection. Back in school, and even as a working adult, I bought a lot of paper manga. Now I use ebooks, but I can't throw away my favorite manga, so these boxes are perfect for storing them. They also work well for DVDs and Blu-rays. You can fit 2 of these boxes on the bottom shelf. The smooth edges make it easy to slide them in and out. The white shelf and white boxes give a neat appearance, which I really like. One minor point is that the shelves are made of mesh, so they are a bit soft. For stability, you might need to put a tray or book under heavier items like vases. However, the mesh allows light to pass through, making it great for plant shelves. I asked for examples of how people use their LERBERG shelves on my Instagram stories and received many impressive responses. I've saved these examples in my Instagram highlights, so please check them out. Many people use them as bookshelves or for storage. This is another popular IKEA item that has recently seen a price drop. I'm sure many of you already have it. Please share how you use it in the comments. Here is a glass container with a cork lid. The glass has a beautiful texture, and I love both cork and glass. I wasn't sure how to use it before, but now I find it great for storing nice-looking stationery. These gold clips from the memo board series are also super cute. Stationery lovers, how about this for an idea? The glass has a nice weight to it. IKEA's official site shows these being used for cotton swabs and cotton pads in the bathroom, so I'm using them for tall items. I forgot a cotton swab in the jar. Using it daily, it feels great to have something that looks nice and lifts your spirits. I'm happy to replace my plastic container with this. My old apartment has a shelf in the bathroom where I've placed this jar. Cotton pads need frequent refilling. So I switched to a larger glass container for them. The lid is easy to remove, making it user-friendly. I'm not sure if the cork tray below is necessary, but it's a nice touch. I also bought some items from the Swordthrone series, including candles, and placed them together for a cute display. This has inspired me to rethink my bathroom storage, so I bought these popular bamboo boxes. These are always mentioned when people ask for IKEA must-haves. The straight line design is really elegant. I decided to replace my plastic containers from the 100 yen shop with these. The 9-compartment box fits perfectly in my setup, adding a needed partition. Combining them with card stands from Syria, I can store items upright. The look is adorable, making me happy every time I see it. The beauty is worth the price. The design is truly excellent. If you have one, please share how you use it in the comments. I also took some after shots of the storage makeover. Early summer has brought the Dudantsutsuji season again. I ordered these Dudantsutsuji branches through an app, and they cost about 3,000 yen, including delivery. The console vase from IKEA is perfect for them. It looks stunning. Thank you for watching till the end. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.